Hey y'all, Taylor Lauren here. Welcome back to my channel where I talk about my life as a beauty queen, as a wife, and as a mama. So if that content interests you, then just keep on watching. Y'all, I realized, I think last week when I filmed the 2.5-year-old toddler organization video for y'all, I forgot to show y'all how I organize Blair's toys. Now that she's older, we have like way more toys. I'm just gonna show you guys like what's inside and how we store them. I'm not even gonna do outside and show you like her ATV and like her bubble lawnmower, her chalk, all of that stuff. My dad also just bought her 2 toy boxes for outside that I actually plan to fill up with like balls and some more outside toys. I think I'm just gonna do like a little shopping spree at Dollar Tree and Five Below when when she goes on her summer holiday with her other grandparents, with my in-laws up north. And when she comes back home, I plan to just have her outside stuff like a little more organized. So maybe I'll show that in a different video. But y'all, I have been going in on Shein. Y'all know I love Shein. And one day I am like putting it out there and praying for like a coupon code, a collaboration or something. I watch so many Shein hauls, and y'all, Shein has so many good kid stuff and furniture. I'm gonna show you guys, but I have been looking at their furniture. I recently bought us a buffet cabinet for like $150. I did purchase it on Afterpay. I love their Afterpay feature because I can just set aside $50 a month out of my little stay-at-home wife, mom, part-time check, and that is like my fun money. And as long as my order can be broken down into $50 increments and I don't go over that, then we stay on budget and everything is good. But I got us this buffet storage cabinet. Essentially, we needed to replace our TV stand. It was falling apart. We've had it since we moved in together, since Corey and I moved in together in like 2019, and it's low. And we wanted something new, one, because it was falling apart, but two, we also wanted something that the TV could sit on that would be higher, because now Blair is starting to like reach for the TV and everything. We actually replaced our TV a couple months ago because she was throwing toys at it and cracked the screen. So long story short, I am in love with this buffet cabinet, and it comes as two pieces, so they can be separated or you can put them together. We've put them together. It comes in like gray and tan. We got the tan one because it accents with our couch, and y'all can this is the cabinet right here. Y'all can see. I'm gonna give you a better view, but it has two doors, right? And that is pretty much how I have been organizing Blair's toys, and it's so great. She can't open it by herself just yet, but she'll come get us when she wants to get her toys out and play and everything like that. Our living room is pretty spacious, so I can supervise her from any area of the house. So if y'all have been sleeping on Shein's furniture, specifically like storage and like buffet cabinets, cabinetry storage, check them out and look at the reviews because they are pretty good. So much so that they have a patio sofa set that I'm really wanting to get now that summer is coming, and I'm wanting to host more like backyard barbecues and things like that with our family and friends. Corey wants a grill for his birthday coming up, so I'm trying to work on that. So yeah, if y'all have been sleeping on the Shein furniture, get on it. In addition to that, they also have great kids clothes. They also have great kids toys. Majority of the toys in Blair's section of the cabinet are from Shein, and they're all really sturdy, really good quality, like wooden Montessori style inspired toys. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you guys because I'm so in love with not only how the cabinet turned out, but how we're able to just have more storage in our house and have most of Blair's things out of place. I'm not one of those people who like I don't want my house to look like kids don't live here. But I like things to have a place, and I like things to be tidy. So as you can see, like Blair's vanity is out and stuff like that. But for the most part, there's a place for her stuff, but we also don't mind it if it's out because this is her home as well. Y'all have already seen how we store toys in her room. She has a toy box in her room that we close when she goes to sleep at night, but during the day we leave it open so she's just not tired during nap time. She can still have quiet time and play in her room quietly. So y'all have seen like all of that, but now I'm going to show you how we store the stuff outside of her room here in our living room. Okay, y'all, so this is the buffet cabinet that I got from Shein for like $150, maybe $158, like right at $160. I've seen this exact one on like Wayfair for double the price. It is by a brand called Tribe Designs, I think, and it's such good quality, so sturdy, so beautiful. We've probably had it. I think I got this in like the beginning of the year. I think it'll be May when this comes out. But yeah, I absolutely love it. Now we did have one hiccup where everything came, but they forgot to include the instructions. But I just Googled the brand and called their customer service, and they emailed me the instructions, no problem. And Corey was able to put everything together. There is like a little hiccup on this side where this door, which happens to be Blair's side, is like there's a little gap there. But all things considered, for the price and the quality, I'm not mad at it. And I'm not sure if that's something Blair did when she has been trying to open the door by herself or if it just came like that. But nevertheless, underneath, I just have some like of her long puzzles that won't fit in the cabinet. And then we have been like practicing our letters. I actually need to get that poster laminated along with a few others and like try to post them around the house somewhere. But we were doing letters last night and I just did not put this back in its place. But the cabinets, they're just push to open. And this is Blair's side. And this is how we have all of her toys organized. So we have just like some coloring books and some sticker books over here. I have some paper just on a clipboard for when she wants to color and draw. And I think Blair cleaned up last night because this is not how I normally do it. I think her and Corey cleaned up last night. So this Lazy Susan I got from Marshall's. But y'all, this little toy, wooden toy train set, it's magnetic. It has the train and then it goes up to numbers 0 through 10. And it is the cutest thing. Got this from Shein. It's so super cute. Blair has been obsessed with trains and cars that go beep beep and airplanes and fire trucks and things like that. So I got her this little magnetic train set and it's very cute. She'll pull it like right here at the door where we have the tile or over in the kitchen. And it's just the cutest thing. And I just keep that up there. And got that on Shein. Now, this was actually on our baby registry. This was a gift. Corey wanted her to have this for when she starts to learn her numbers. And she has just now started getting into it and like moving her numbers around and recognizing her numbers. So this was a gift on our registry. I think we got it on like Amazon or something. Here we have her like little arts and crafts. So this carrier I got also from Marshall's. Nitra B, I love her. She recently did like a toy organization reel video or something. And I think she got most of her stuff from like Walmart or Ikea maybe. My flash just went off. I think she got most of her stuff from like Walmart or Ikea. And my Marshall's is closer than both of those stores. And I'm an employee, so I just decided to use my discount. And this was actually perfect. And it has like little glitter in it. So this is where we keep her crayons, her markers, and her paint. We have not experimented with paint at home. We haven't played with paint at home lately just because I haven't really had the time to sit down and supervise it with her and be really interactive with her. But she does paint a lot at school. So I think that's why she loves it so much. But hopefully with school being out soon and just us having more downtime, we can paint more. And I pretty much got all of her markers and crayons and paintbrushes and everything from either Walmart, Target, or Michael's. And these old like paintbrushes, I think that like we already had, and then an old makeup brush that we use as a paintbrush. So that is that. And let me see. So down here, y'all, is like our puzzles section. So She has some alphabet flashcards that my parents gave us. So my flash keeps going off. Sorry, y'all. But yeah, so I got this like acrylic organizer thing from Shein. It was originally advertised as like something you could organize your purses on, like I guess like clutches, but I thought it would be good for the puzzles, and I was right. It did come cracked when I first ordered it, but I just hot glued it, and it's been, you know, holding up ever since. These 4 puzzles here I actually got from Amazon, and we use this as like family member recognition. So there's a picture of like the 3 of us. There's one with B and my parents, one with B and my in-laws, and then one of B by herself. So we'll pull those out and be like, oh, who's that? Who's that? Who's that? You know, that's Gigi, that's Papa, that's Riri, that's Grandpa, Mommy, Daddy, that type of thing. Now, these 4 puzzles here from Shein, I think they're maybe like $3 a piece. So stinking cute. Right now, the turtle is her absolute favorite. She will do it over and over and over and over again. Okay, now, these puzzles over here. So this one was actually a gift from my sister. And this one here is from Shein. We're missing a piece. We're missing the little triangle. But this one is so good. I love this puzzle. I think it's really good for like shape and color and size recognition. Obviously all those things. But Blair will be so hyper focused when she does this one. And it's super cute. And each like of the 3 pieces for that particular shape come out, and I can just really see her mind working when she does this one. And then she has a name puzzle. This one I think was also a gift from our registry from Amazon, and this one as well. And that's just kind of how we have everything organized. I have to find that other blue piece. I know it's going to take me forever, but it's in here somewhere. But yeah, y'all, this is how we have her toys organized. Her toys that are like outside of her room. And it's not a lot of stuff. As she gets older, we'll like rotate some things. I do want to, there are like a few more puzzles on Shein that I want to get her. But yeah, this stuff has been entertaining her for the past couple of months. She loves coloring. She loves doing the puzzles. She loves her flashcards. So you don't need a ton of toys for your kids. You just need toys that they can look at a different way every time they do it, and toys that they can grow into, and puzzles, in my opinion, that will challenge them over time. And she's been obsessed with these, and she's been loving these so far. So make sure y'all check out Shein for furniture and for your kids' toys and for your kids' clothes. It's very affordable stuff, good quality. Absolutely love Shein. I can't wait to get Blair more stuff from there and show y'all. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.